This really helped understand the value of a kitchen and where you can push the boundaries. I'm Samantha Bartlett and I designed the Martin Moore kitchen for Warehouse 2026. I want people to feel comfortable, calm and relaxed. We derive a lot of our designs from nature, so all the tones and materials that we've used play on the concept of bringing nature in. A key feature in our room is the Officinator oven and extractor, and we've got this beautiful water tap in the stainless nickel. You can fill your pots and pans. And then we've built these beautiful doors with CMD bespoke to help bring the outdoors in. We've made a dining area to help form the story. Key feature is the Tom Faulkner table. It's the black timber top, which is lovely and durable, but also adds a pop contrast to the floor that we've got by Element 7. We're working with Home Play. They've offered a beautiful audio sound performance for the show, which helps give the viewer a sense of from day to night. Richard from Martin Moore wanted to bring in some wine and a bit of sense of bar, which also plays on the evening entertainment area. And then we have a lovely sort of breakfast pantry, which I personally love. You can just pull the cupboards shut and a sense of calm reappears. Fusion green quartzite, extremely durable for kitchen use. It's got these lovely textures. And then we've also got the cocoa wool bar stools. And what I like about these is they can swivel. On the end wall above the banquette seating, we've got the beautiful wallpaper by Arte, followed by the lila wall lights and pendant by Porto Romana in the spottle finish. They've got little details like frogs on here, which is really cute. I think it's inspirational. You've got wonderful interior designers here featuring their craft and their work, all the different techniques that are brought through. It's really inspirational.